Want to completely remove programs from your Windows 11 PC without leftover files or junk? In this video, I'll show you how to use Geek Uninstaller to fully uninstall apps and programs easily. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now search for Geek Uninstaller and open the official website. Once the website opens, click on the download button to get the app. After the download finishes, open your downloads folder. Geek Uninstaller is usually a portable app, so you may not need to install it. Simply double-click the Geek Uninstaller file to launch it. Now you'll see a list of all installed programs and apps on your computer. Scroll through the list and select the program you want to remove. Next, right-click on the application and choose Uninstall. Windows will now start uninstalling the selected program. After the uninstall process finishes, Geek Uninstaller will scan your computer for leftover files, folders, and registry entries related to that app. If leftover items are found, click Remove to delete them completely. This helps free up storage space and keeps your computer clean. Once done, close the app. And that's how you can fully uninstall programs and apps on a Windows 11 PC or laptop using Geek Uninstaller. Thanks for watching.